मेरा नाम नूर जहाँ है। मेरा उम्र 60 साल है। मेरे कमर में बहुत दर्द था, चलने बिल्कुल नहीं आ रहा था। 2 कदम डालते ही फिर बैठना बोल के रहता था। यहाँ सर्जरी करा लेने के बाद बहुत अच्छा है, तकलीफ़ भी बहुत कम है। डॉक्टर साहब बहुत अच्छा करे, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
So, as my mother has already mentioned that she had severe numbness in her legs and she was unable to walk. She was within 5 minutes she felt severe numbness, and we have consulted many orthopedics earlier also, and we have been to many doctors, and she was on medication for a very long time, and but I don't think it has never helped. And we have done MRIs, and doctors have actually not suggested any surgery as such. But then after seeing a number of reviews of Dr. Kiran sir, we thought we'll come and consult. And the very first consultation I have come here, he has straight away asked for to go for a surgery. Earlier also we had doctors who have suggested for surgery, but I don't know, we have never gone through. But I feel the kind of confidence the doctor in himself has, and on the patients also, of what he is actually going to do is actually very amazing. And the entire team, we have taken the decision of taking going for a surgery in itself is what the kind of confidence the doctor has given us is what I feel. And after we have decided, within a week we have gone for a surgery after the consultation, and the entire team was very supportive. And I feel the kind of reviews what we have seen and then what we have actually felt is definitely very much helpful for us. And I personally recommend anybody who has any difficulty or anything, you can come and consult. And we feel a lot of confidence in what he is going to do. That is, even before the surgery, before my mom's condition in itself, we felt like, no, Dr. Kiran is definitely going to do something which is going to make my mom much better. And yeah, today she is here, and we are very much happy with the condition today she is in. And it's been just 2 weeks, but still we feel very happy, and definitely we are going to give more reviews going forward also. And we hope she'll definitely be well as the condition what she's into today. Thank you so much.